In today's video, I'm going to teach you rearrange order of product images in Shopify tutorial. The very first photo a shopper sees can make or break their decision to click. So let's make sure your best shot is always front and center. This is a quick, clear walkthrough you can follow right now. Start by heading into your Shopify admin and opening your products list. Click the product you want to edit to open its details page. Now, scroll down until you find the media section. This is where all of your product photos and videos live, and it's the control center for the order in which they appear on your storefront. You'll notice a larger preview area on the left. That's your main product image, the hero that shows up first on the product page and often in collections and search results. To change which image appears there, it's as simple as drag and drop. Click and hold the photo you want to feature, then drag it into that first position. As you move it, you'll see the other thumbnails shift automatically to make room. Release your mouse, and that image becomes the new main photo. You can continue dragging and dropping to reorder the rest of your gallery too. This is a great moment to think about the story your images tell. A proven sequence is to lead with a clean, well-lit studio shot, followed immediately by a context or lifestyle image, something that shows the product in use or in a real environment. After that, place close-ups of key details, then any scale shots, and finally any secondary angles. Keeping similar angles grouped helps shoppers scan quickly without confusion. As you arrange, aim for consistency in lighting and background for the first few images so the transition feels smooth. Avoid near-duplicate shots early in the sequence. Save alternates for later so you don't dilute that initial impact. If you're on a touch device, a long press works the same as click and drag. Take a moment to preview the order visually and make sure your hero image is crisp, in focus, and centered. When you're happy with the order, go to the top of the page and hit Save. This step publishes your changes. The update is instant on your storefront, so your new main image will appear in product grids, collections, and search results right away. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your storefront page to load the latest version. That's it. Clean, simple, and effective. Better presentation leads to better sales. And now your gallery is organized to put your best image first and guide customers through the rest with confidence.